Today on the vlog, I built a scar. Ooh. Nope, not that scar. Nope, not that scar. Haha, I mean this scar. Ooh, it is time to create. Hit that intro.
What up everybody, Passion here. I hope you're having a great day. 3 months ago I started this year off planning to do a video each week, and I even came up with an idea where I was going to select random items from a fishbowl to come up with stuff in between major projects. Well, needless to say, that did not happen. That plan was an epic failure. But it's okay. It's really okay because I got busy. But in today's video, it's all about the Scar. The Scar is the weapon of choice from Epic's game, Fortnite, that we're all in the hunt for, all checking chests, all wishing we can get our hands on as soon as possible. So here it is, the next couple minutes of me creating my very own inspired Scar. love the way this came out. I hope you enjoyed that little video right there. Obviously this is a a scar that has been inspired from the game of Fortnite. I hope you enjoyed it. What I have already started, I started building a bunch of other scars. So right now I got a handful in the making. I'm looking to raise some money to upgrade some of my airbrush guns, paint, glues, all the artistic tools I need to keep moving forward with some of the stuff that I'm making. So you can go on eBay right now under that passion guy and look for the Fortnite Scar listing. If this is something that you like, go ahead and put a bid in on it. I am looking to post a scar every Sunday night for the next couple weeks to again, trying to raise a couple funds to get some upgrades. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like, take a look at the listing on eBay, and I appreciate your time. So be cool, be safe, tie your shoes, and always live your passion. Peace.